Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishika, and a while ago I was scrolling through Instagram Reels and I saw this hack to convert a sling bag into a backpack, and I wanted to try it. And it worked, so I decided to share it with you guys. So first of all, you just have to take your bag, ulta, and wear it around your neck. Then you have to take out both your arms and then push it back, and there you go. See, this is super easy, and you can even adjust its length using this, and yeah, it just looks so cute. The best part is you can convert any of your sling bags into a backpack using this hack. This is literally the best hack ever. So yeah, that was it for this video. I do a lot of these fashion kind of videos on my Instagram also. So follow me on Instagram at rishikavasti1702, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.